Hello everyone. Let us continue with our third unit, that is reciprocating machines part 4. Okay. So in previous session we have studied on planar machine. In this session we are going to see a slaughter machine. These are the contents that I am going to cover in this session, that is introduction to slaughter machine, principle of slaughter machine, specification of slaughter machine. Let us go through this one by one. So coming to the introductional part, well, the slaughter machine is similar to shaper and planer machine. It operates on the same principle of shaper machine, where in shaper machine ram holds the tool and reciprocates in horizontal axis. Okay, where in slaughter machine the ram holding the tool reciprocates in vertical direction. These machines are used for cutting external and internal gears for handling the large jobs. Okay, this was about the introductional part. So let us move on to principle of slaughter. So here we can see a simple sketch of slaughter machine, which consists of a base onto which a column is placed. Okay, and it has a ram which reciprocates vertically, and it has a cross slide here onto which a table is placed, and motor is used to drive the ram in a vertical direction. So coming to the base, a base is a rigid cast iron. It is built to take up all the cutting forces and entire load of the machine. Okay, the top portion of the bed is accurately machined for guideways. Okay, now coming to the column. Column is vertical member and casted integral with the base. Okay, it houses ram, driving and feeding mechanism, and guideways are provided on the front face of the column on which ram is to be reciprocated. Okay, here we can see a guideways onto which ram reciprocates. Okay, so next comes cross slides. Here we can see a cross slide. Okay, it is mounted on the guideways and made to move parallel to the column face. Okay, the movement of the slide may be controlled by either hand or power driven cross feed. Okay, now so coming to the table, here we can see table. A table is mounted on the top of cross slide. It can be rotated. Basically a table is rotary type. Okay, it can be rotated by rotating wheel which meshes with the worm gear connected at underside of the table. Okay, so this was a simple principle of slaughter machine. Let us move on to specification of slaughters. So these are the specifications as follows. It has a maximum stroke length of the ram, diameter of the table, number of speed available, horsepower of the motor, type of quick return mechanism, and number of feeds available. So these were the specification of slaughter. So this completes our third unit. Thank you.